Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about russet potatoes. These are the white potatoes that are very common and so many people love. And I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with russet potatoes. So if you're looking for some different ideas, something new to do with russet potatoes, hopefully this will help you out. We know that russet potatoes go with just about anything. And so this list is long and they can be used in any type of dish, from appetizers to desserts and snacks, and from vegan meals to animal food meals and anything in between that you want to make. But at least hopefully this will help you out. In the protein categories, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have bacon, beans in general, beef, cashews, chicken, eggs, ham, lamb, lentils, peas, pine nuts, pork, poultry, seafood, tahini, turkey, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that go well with russet potatoes include arugula, asparagus, bell peppers, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery, celery root, chard, chilies, chives, eggplant, greens of all sorts, in particular collard greens, mustard greens, salad greens, and winter greens, you name it. Kale, leeks, mushrooms, okra, onions, other root vegetables in general, parsnips, rutabagas, scallions, shallots, spinach, squash, as in winter squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, truffles, turnips, and watercress. In the way of fruits that go well with russet potatoes, we have avocados, coconuts, lemons, and olives. In the grains and grain products category, there's corn, gnocchi, grains in general, quinoa, spelt, and pasta. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there's butter, buttermilk, cheese of all types, coconut milk and coconut cream, creme fraiche, milk of all types, sour cream, and yogurt. And in the other foods category, there's mayonnaise, prepared mustard, pesto, stock, vinegar, especially champagne, sherry, and white wine vinegars, and wine, as in dry white wine. I do hope that this helps to give you some new ideas on something different to do with potatoes. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.